Waxing your car regularly is a must when it comes to protecting your paint finish from the elements. And with the variety of waxes available, choosing the right one can be a bit confusing. If you're looking for our longest lasting, most advanced protection, Meguiar's Ultimate Wax is definitely your solution. If you're looking for a proven synthetic wax with deep gloss, Meguiar's NXT Generation Tech Wax 2.0 is your answer. If you're looking more for a natural Carnauba-based wax, we recommend Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus. And Meguiar's Cleaner Wax remains an excellent choice for cleaning, polishing, and protecting in one easy step. Our liquid waxes offer high-quality protection in an easy-to-use liquid form. If you're looking for that feel of a traditional paste, our paste waxes offer the same quality of protection as our liquids. For an even quicker and easier result, Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax is your best choice. Before waxing, wash and dry your vehicle thoroughly and make sure it's free from any defects or bonded contaminants. If not, you'll need to use our Smooth Surface Clay Kit or one of our paint cleaners like Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to properly prep the surface before applying a wax. When applying a wax, best results will always be achieved when working in the shade and on a cool surface. If you're working by hand, apply your favorite Meguiar's wax onto a foam applicator and spread the product over the surface, creating a thin, uniform layer. Continue working around the vehicle until it's covered in a thin, even coat. If you are using our dual action polisher, attach our black foam finishing pad and set the speed dial between 1 and 3. Apply your favorite Meguiar's wax directly to the pad and place the pad flat on the paint. Turn the machine on and begin buffing with light pressure in an overlapping pattern while keeping the pad flat against the paint at all times. Reapply the wax to the pad as often as needed until the entire vehicle has a thin, even coat of wax. To determine when the wax is ready to be removed, swipe your finger across the section. If it smears, it's not ready. However, if it's clear, then it's time to remove the wax. When the wax is dry, use our Supreme Shine microfiber towel to easily remove it. To extend the life of your wax, remember to always use a wash designed specifically for car finishes like Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax.